This is how to clean a microwave. Easy. I've got an electric drill. I bought it at Walmart for $19. I got this cleaning brush I got online for like $6. So I got it hooked up into a drill. That's where it's supposed to go. This is how I clean the microwave. Stick it in the corner there. Looking pretty good already. Now I have to get the back wall. And the ceiling. Well, it all falls down here, but that's okay because it's easy to clean up. And the roof of the microwave. All right, what did that take? A couple of minutes? Looks a lot better. Not perfect like from the factory, but I can live with it. And then, of course, do the inside of the glass. After cleaning with my drill and that brush, I just wipe up the residue with paper towel. Does the best job, does it better than a sponge.